Hey everyone, Doug here with a quick fix for Big Red Pen. In this video, we're going to look at the object. We know that sentences can be as simple as a subject and a verb. That means that things as short as he said, she said, or they ate are sentences. But more often than not, your subject will be doing an action to something else. That something is called the object. Put more technically, the object is that thing or noun that is acted upon by the subject. Let's look at some examples of an object in a sentence. Cam wrote his essay. Liz did well on the test. My parents grounded me for skipping class. Based on our definition, can you identify the object in these sentences? Remember, the object is the noun that is acted upon. In the first example, his essay is the object, since that is what Cam, the subject, is writing. Writing is the verb that he is using to act upon the object. In the second example, the test is the object. Liz is the subject and the verb or action is did. In the last example, I am the object, though it's written as me in the sentence. My parents are the subject and grounded is the verb or action. The object might seem like an easy thing to understand, but it becomes very important for things like active and passive writing, which we will be covering on Wednesday. Be sure to come back then to learn how to fix one of the most common errors in professional writing. Does the object of a sentence make more sense to you now? Leave a comment if you still have some questions. If you don't, leave a comment with a sentence that uses an object and comment on someone else's sentence with what their object is. If you enjoyed the video, click that like button and subscribe to Big Red Pen to improve your writing skills. Thanks for stopping by and happy writing.